Welcome in the kitchen, everyone. I'm washing dishes, and I know I normally cook with you all. You can hear Andy just rambling in the background, I'm sure. I'm going to try to talk over him. He's in the front part of the house, like way away from me. Anyway, I have a dirty skillet. Look at that. I've cooked bacon and onions in it. And I'm going to show you all what I do to keep my iron skillets seasoned. I do the very same thing that my mama always did, okay? Yes, I put soap on it. I'm going to bring y'all down here so you can see. I put my soap in there just like that. Because I use these to cook all kinds of things except for my cornbread skillet. And that one, I do nothing but cornbread. Got me a handy dandy sponge right here. Can y'all see? Can y'all see what I'm doing? I'm just going to scrub it just like this. Get anything that's stuck on there off. And it just falls off usually, y'all. It's not really stuck. Okay? Can y'all see down in my pot there? All right, here we go. As y'all can see, there was really nothing stuck on there. See, it's clean. All right. Rinse off the back of it. I'm going to set it right over here for just a minute. I'm going to make sure this stove over here is wiped off and clean. Where I fried that.
Dad's gonna get eight. What? Dad's gonna get eight. What? Dad's gonna get eight.
All right, y'all, I'm going to bring it over here to the stove. Here's my skillet right here. I'm going to turn this on high. Matter of fact, I've got two to do because I use two different skillets. This one needs it worse than the other one. Turn both these eyes up on high. You want to get this skillet hot, 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 hot. And I've got this little thermometer right here. It comes from Harbor Freight. And it will tell me what the temperature of my skillets are. And I like to get them around 500 degrees. Now this is the easiest thing, and it will keep your skillets seasoned and non-stick, okay? This one, I've forgotten what I put in it and cooked in it, but it's not as black, but stuff does not stick in that skillet either. But this one right here, let's see how it's drying it out, what you want it to do is dry it completely, because if you leave them wet, that's when they rust. Right now it's showing it's 248 degrees. But it doesn't take it. If you turn them up on high, it doesn't take it but just a minute or two to get hot. And this is what Mama always did. Sometimes Mama would just sock hers in the oven. If she was going to bake something, she'd just sock it in that oven and do it that way. But I don't want what I cooked in this tonight to come through in whatever I might cook tomorrow in the same skillet. Your cornbread skillet, you never wash it. You just wipe it out. That's the one thing about your cornbread skillet. You never wash a cornbread skillet. And I've got my husband's grandmother's cornbread skillet. I don't wash it. It's not supposed to be washed. We're at 400 there. At 400 there. So we'll be there in just 1 second. We'll be at 500 degrees, and then I'll flip y'all back down there and show you what I do with them. I've got some oil. It's just canola oil. Any flavorless oil. Okay. I like to see what the temperatures are along the edges too, because you want that temperature to be up. Okay, that one's at 500 in the middle. This one's almost. All right, I'm going to turn them off. Right like that. Take my oil. Turn y'all down there so you can see. Take my oil. Do you see how that oil does? It just puddles up. And then I've got me a paper towel. Be careful because that oil and this skillet are both hot. Hot, hot, hot. You want to get it up around the edges. And then you just leave them sitting here. And it will absorb, that iron will absorb all of that oil, which is what will make that non-stick. There you go. Easy peasy. I do that every time I use them and wash them. I do that to them. And then I leave them sitting there. Sometimes I might just pop them back down in the oven, just, for just to store them. Aren't you supposed to store an iron skillet in the oven? So I'm going to set these down in there right now. Just like that. And they're ready to go tomorrow when I get ready to cook something else. I hope that helps you all. That's just a little helpful tip. Remember to hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe, please subscribe. I give y'all all kinds of tips in different videos. I usually don't just do a tip video like I did this one, but you'll find all kinds of tips in my videos. How to peel an egg and what to do to keep your pot from boiling over and stuff like that. I tell you all the time, just different little things. So remember to like, share. Please share this. I know there's other people out there that want to know how to keep an iron skillet seasoned. Subscribe if you've not already. Hit that subscribe button for me. It helps tremendously. Comment, leave me some comments. Let me know how you all keep your iron skillet seasoned. Is this the way you do it? Is this the way your mama did it? How do you do it? And ring that bell so you don't miss a video. And that'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.